Nestled within the picturesque coastal town of Brunswick Heads, Mona Lane Apartments by Harley Graham Architects presents a unique vision for multi-generational living. Inspired by the principles of Japanese design, minimalism, restraint, and harmonious balance, the project reimagines the concept of apartment living, offering a sense of spaciousness and connection to nature. Conceived as an engaged series of homes, Mona Lane Apartments responds thoughtfully to its context. Each residence sits atop one another, allowing for both privacy and interconnectedness between generations. This multi-tiered approach, reminiscent of traditional Japanese architecture, creates a sense of verticality and maximizes views of the surrounding landscape. The architects prioritized low-maintenance living, utilizing robust materials like dark timber and thin steel members that will age gracefully over time. The façade, characterized by expansive openings that seem to pull away from the structure, maximizes natural light and emphasizes the connection to the outdoors. Sustainability is paramount in the design. Integrated water collection and retention systems, coupled with solar energy systems, minimize the environmental impact. The focus on quality and durability ensures that Mona Lane Apartments will stand the test of time, providing a comfortable and enduring home for its residents. Inside, the interiors by Louise Walsh complement the architectural vision, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere. The emphasis on natural light and the seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces further enhances the connection to the surrounding environment. Mona Lane Apartments is more than just a collection of apartments. It's a testament to thoughtful design, sustainable living, and the enduring power of harmonious coexistence. It represents a new model for multi-generational living, one that embraces both privacy and interconnectedness, while fostering a deep connection to the natural world. Well, that's a wrap. I had a blast making this video, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I always love to hear from you guys. See you later.